Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into this painting demonstration. I'm currently inspired by the colours of the fall and the holiday season. So I'm working with some purples and some pinks and some magentas, along with the glittering shimmer of some pearlescents and some metallic paints. What I'm about to do is a full blowout bloom piece on a 36-inch by 24-inch canvas. I'm primarily using Amsterdam paints for the piece, except for some of the DecoArt gold that I've used. And you can see what types of products I'm using by visiting my currently free product list guide posting in the description below this video. So you can save yourself some time and money by going and find some quality products. I'm thinking of doing some live demos in the next few weeks, possibly some in-person tutorial sessions, maybe in the near future. So let me know if there's any interest in doing that out there. And if you're not a subscriber already, please be sure to log onto your YouTube account and hit the subscribe button to see more from my ventures into acrylic paints and the new directions I'm taking with my art. So I posted an interesting video on Patreon giving away a few artist secrets that I discovered recently, and it's helped my art project significantly, so check out that link below also if you're interested in how you can take your art up to the next level. Okay, so sit back, relax, and enjoy this one. It was fun to do and resulted in a really magnificent painting once it's done. It literally shimmers and sparkles. Great effect, especially under gloss varnish once on the wall. I've yet to do that part, so it's not in the video. But with the Christmas season coming up, a new addition for the holiday perhaps. Anyway, here we go. So you'll notice that this time around I'm using the squeezy bottle to apply my paints and then the hairdryer just to kind of move that around. I found that this way I save much more paint than I would otherwise if I was just, pouring it all on and pouring it all off again. So this way saves me a ton of time and effort in terms of cleanup and cost in terms of, having to buy the paints and waste them. Not that I do that, I use them elsewhere, but still, this is a much more efficient way of doing things, I think, and probably the way I'm going to do it going forward. So once I've finished the painting, and we're pretty much done at this stage, I'm just touching up the sides, obviously with the paint that's fallen off the painting or slid off the side. That way you're not wasting a whole bunch of paint, and you're getting what you need out of it. The only other embellishments I do sometimes is I'll take a straw and maybe blow out a few of the ends of the blooms, so to speak, to give a little bit more explosion, if you like, towards those petals or blooms or whatever you want to call them. So I start doing that here a little bit, and then I'll start to wrap that up. So I'll take you through what this looks like in a couple of minutes, or a couple of seconds, and you'll get a chance to look at how it glimmers and shimmers, and just looks fantastic as a close-up. So. So hopefully this one inspires you to give it a go. It wasn't super hard once you got the mixing and the consistency down. A little creative care with the hair dryer is obviously essential, but maybe I'll create a video on some of the mixing recipes I use in the near future. Thanks for sticking with me. I hope you liked the demonstration, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and send me your comments. Until the next time, take care.